Let's learn opposite words with examples. Our first opposite word is big. Wow, it's so big. And its opposite is small. This is small. The dinosaur is so big. Wow. And this dinosaur is small. Small. This elephant is so big. But this mouse is small. Small. This tree is so big. Big. The flower is small. Small. Other opposite word is fast. Slow. The cheetah is fast. Wow, this is so fast. But the snail is slow. Fast, slow. The rabbit is so fast. The turtle is slow. Slow. Fast, slow. This car is so fast. Fast, but the cycle is slow. Slow. Fast, slow. The other opposite word is happy, sad. The sun is happy. Happy. But the clouds are sad. Sad. The flower is happy. The leaf is sad. Sad. This boy is so happy. You. But the girl is sad. Happy, sad. The other opposite word is dry, wet. This swimmer is wet. Wet. The towels are dry. Dry. This shirt is wet. Wet. But this shirt is dry. Dry. Wet. Dry. This mop and floor is wet. The paper is dry. Dry. The boy is wet. The boy is wet. But the girl's hairs are dry. Dry. Wet. Dry. The other opposite word is loud, quiet. Loud, quiet. The speaker is loud. Loud. But the girl is quiet. Quiet. The drum is loud. Loud. But the bird is quiet. Quiet. The market is loud, but the library is quiet. Quiet. The bike sounds loud. Loud. But the cycle is quiet. Quiet. The other opposite word is up, down. Up, down. The balloon goes up. But the ball comes down. Down. The rocket goes up. The girl is going down. Down. The kite is flying up. But the coin is falling down. Down. Our other opposite word is hot, cold. Hot, cold. This weather is so hot. Hot. And this snowy weather is cold. Cold. The tea is hot. Hot. But the ice cream is cold. Cold. The iron is hot, hot. The ice is cold, cold. The stove is hot, hot. But the freezer is cold, cold. Next opposite word is soft, hard, soft, hard. The cake is soft, soft. The candies are hard, hard. This stuffed toy is soft, soft. But the toy car is hard, hard. The blanket is soft, soft. But the stones are hard, hard. The next opposite word is empty, full. Empty, full. This jar is empty. This jar is full. The jar is full of biscuits. The violet is empty, empty. The basket is full, full. This room is empty, empty. But the glass is full, full. The next opposite word is open, close. Open, close. This book is open, open. And this book is close, close. This box is open. And this box is close, close. The umbrella is open, open. This umbrella is close, close. This window is open, open. And this window is close, close.